Kelly, and today I'm going to share with you another quick, easy vinaigrette. We're going to be making apple cider vinaigrette. A vinaigrette or an easy salad dressing always elevates the taste of any salad. If you love salad dressings, I'm going to link some of the salad dressings in the icons above and the description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. If you're using a balsamic honey vinaigrette, which is nice and sweet, you would use that over a salad made with kale or spinach because it's bitter and it's sweet. It helps balance it out. But the one we're using today, apple cider vinegar, has a fruity taste. So this can go great with a tossed salad, cucumbers, tomatoes, anything like that. It just completely elevates the dish. So now let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of finely grated white onion, 2 tablespoons of honey,
½ cup of oil, ½ cup of apple cider vinegar.
Next step, to add all of our ingredients together and combine. So I'm going to start with the oil first. Then I'll add the pepper and the salt and just mix it in well. Then I'll add all the other ingredients in no particular order. Cider vinaigrette is done. It smells so good. This is perfect for your tossed salad because it is really going to brighten up that salad. This dressing literally takes 5 minutes. If you need a salad dressing to brighten up your salad, this comes highly recommended. Apple cider vinaigrette, now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this vinaigrette recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes. And once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.